Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to group images in Google Docs. This is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. Press on Insert, then go right here to Drawing and click on New. Then press Finder and insert your images. So drag and drop it right here. This is the first one. You can change the scale. And this is the second image right here. Now place these images where you want them to be, because after this they will be grouped together. So place them however you would like and then click on Save and Close. Now as you can see, these images are grouped. If you want to move them across the page, select in front of the text and click on Move with Text and select Fix Position on Page. Now as you can see, they are grouped together. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.